So, Tradereview from the 4th of November 2025. Coming into the day, I was bullish because we already tapped this new week opening gap from last week, I believe. Yes. So I assumed that we're gonna get some bullish movement, at least to rebalance some higher time frame FVGs in this price lag. What has will happen, as you can see. So coming in here, we already had this push. Then I entered this. Is it this one? Directly off this 5-minute. Like this. Thinking delivery from here, push higher to rebalance this up here as said. Then this was right when I opened my PC, so I just saw this, entered. Then right after it, I looked at the 15-minute chart, saw that we are indeed in a 15-minute FEG. So I just got out of the trade again because that's not something I want to be in at this point. To a really small loss of $18. Good. Yes. Next trade was actually break-even trade. It wasn't necessary to take it because the break-even was so close, so it was clear that it's gonna be a break-even. So I'm not gonna go over this one. Then the next trade that worked out nicely was on gold. On gold we had these stacked lows right here, which I thought we were gonna hit, since this looked again like some sort of market maker sell model. I entered here on the 2-minute, entered here, was it like this? No, higher up, like this. Entered here on the 2-minute. Not really nice delivery or liquidity sweep, but the target, in my opinion, was really nice. Entered this for a 1.5 hour trade. Yeah, again, could have held much lower and be done for the day after this. Yes, but yes. Then the next trade was again on gold. Yes, exactly here. When we came down here, took all the liquidity, I assumed that we at least gonna rebalance some sort of fair value gap to the upside, or at least tap 50%. So when I saw this push, I wanted to take some sort of continuation model. Exactly here, again, 2-minute. Like this. Yeah, ended up being a loss. Kind of sad because right afterwards it worked out. I re-entered again around here somewhere and went break even here. Yes, was a too early break even in this case, but it is a mechanical break even since this is the high of this price lag, which had a probable FVG. but should have put the break even higher up actually. Yes, this would have been better, as you can see. Good. Yeah, and then the last trade was on NQ again. Where was it? Yes, up here. When we break, first I wanted to enter on this, but then we had the reaction right here out of this little gap. So I waited in here, stop loss above, targeting down here, break even at this low. Yes, as you can see, I then ended up scaling some here because I was literally break even on the day. So I wanted to just secure something, at least something to be a bit green. So I secured one micro here, knowing that in the last days many trades just went to my break even and then put me at break even. As you can see, secured some profits here and then yeah, it ran. Yeah, annoying, but this is how it is on the day. So we are like up 0.3 R on the day, not really amazing, but better than being red. So what can we do better? I think was trading today was pretty good. Obviously you could still take a little bit less trades. The first loss, which wasn't high but wasn't necessary, it was just like jumping into the markets too quickly without thinking or seeing that we are actually in a 15-minute gap. Then this one, obviously, you could have held lower, but as well I have seen gold often just go to a level and then instantly reverse. So got my piece of the pie here. Could have held lower, but it was okay. And then this one, I think the first loss was okay. Like, yeah, model was good, push was good. I was just stop ran somehow. And then the second one I could have or should have gone break even a bit later, what would have ended up working out as well. So yeah, these are the two things to do better. Like I said, one of the things, hold longer and not get that many break evens. Yes.